Right guys, so I'm currently in the process of installing dynamic indicators and mirror caps to my Mark 5 Golf GTI. I've already done that side. I forgot to record, so I was finishing this side off. I thought, you know what, I'll put the video up and I'll show you guys. I've not got a before clip, but one of my relatives has got the same car, so he's got the old ones, so I'll get a clip from his car and I'll compare them both. This side's done, so I'll show you guys. This is the cap I've gone for. It's like an M Sport style, and the dynamic indicators are black, so it just sits off so well. And these are sweeping, so at night I'll show you guys a clip. So let me finish this side off. I'm literally just putting it all back together now, and then I'll show you guys the finishing result. And then at night I'll show you what they look like. Right, so this side's on. Only thing I've got left to do now is remove this tape. Very satisfying. There we have it. Now at night, when it gets dark, it's quite daylight right now, I'll show you guys a clip of it on and it's sweeping, and I'll show you guys the before and after. Right, so it's still daylight. I just want to see how it looks like in the daylight, and it looks quite good. You see it clear at this side. This side, it sweeps across. This is at night. Copyright. There you go. Can you see that's just flashing? That's the before, and I'll put mine as the after on the screen. I'll compare them both from far out. Right, so that's the before. As you can see, it's just on its own, and then this is mine sweeping. If you get them both together, one's sweeping and one's just flashing. Right, so that's been the dynamic indicators on the Mark 5 Golf GTI. That one's getting it next now after seeing this. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I shall see you guys in the next one.